Hi everyone! In the last video, we talked about the basics and I showed you two methods to create the velvet nail look. In today's video, we'll play around with creating intentional lines and effects using our magnet. For tools, I'll be using the dual-ended stick again. There are so many ways you can manipulate the magnetic particles using this tool, so experiment a lot with it. For the first look, I'll create some straight lines on the nails using the rectangular magnet. On a prep nail, either with a base coat or if you are doing the sandwich method, your base plus the first sheer color layer, apply your magnet gel. Once your magnet layer is on, you're going to activate the particles similar to a velvet nail. Lines are super easy and all you have to do is place the magnet above the nail. The direction of the stick is the same direction that your line will appear as. Hover your magnet over for a few seconds, then check to see how your line looks. You can do the lines horizontally, vertically, or even diagonally on the nail to create a simple nail design that's modern. For really sharp lines, I find that the high-powered rectangular magnet works best, and flash curing the line when you see it appear gives you the best result. For curved lines, we're going to use both the rectangular and circle end of your magnet. Have your nail ready for magnetic gel application and apply a layer of your magnet gel. Again, collect the particles towards the center of your nail similar to the velvet nail. Taking the circle end, hover the magnet over the nail, watching how the particles move around the edge of the circle, starting to create a curved line. This is where it can get really fun and you can experiment with moving the particles until you find a shape you like. This gives a little bit more dimension and fluidity to the nail look compared to the rigid line when you just use the rectangular side. I like creating this curved nail shape to serve as a base for additional nail art on top, which I'll show you in the next video. And that's the basics of how to use the two main magnet shapes to create lines. For the next video in this series, we'll be diving into specific nail art looks using these techniques. If you try out magnet gel after watching this video, I would love to see how it came out. Please tag me on Instagram or TikTok at miso.nails. See you next time, good luck and have fun.